Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to install a QR code app on iPhone. So step one, open the App Store app, which is this blue icon. This is the homepage of the App Store. Now to search for a QR code app, type this search field on the bottom, at the bottom, and click on and type QR code. Now click on any name or the first name. It is better to go with the first name. And this is the first app, or this blue app is an ad for this app, and those are the organic QR code apps. So let's go with this non-advertised QR code app called QR code for iPhone. Click on get. As you see, it was click on it to see more details. As you see, the rating is this app got 1.4 million votes or ratings with an average of 4.7, which is a good rating. Click on get here or directly from here. It's the same thing, and wait. Sometimes the App Store asks you for your password. Type it and click on install. Now the download is or the QR code app download is started, and once it is completed, click on open. And this is our QR code. Let's skip. This is an ad. I will skip it. I'm not allowed to open my iPhone camera because I am recording because this is or because I'm connecting my iPhone to my Mac to my computer. Click on allow, and now just open your you can open this QR code app from here. This icon is added. Click on it. Place your QR code in front of your camera, and you can start scanning the QR code. And this is how to install a QR code app on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.